Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm kind of excited today. Today is a little bit different type of video, but I'm having an unboxing. My husband has got me something. He does that sometimes, a surprise. I have a birthday coming up in a few days. Well, actually, it's the 10th. But he bought me something, and he got it from HSN. He buys stuff from there quite a bit. We like buying stuff from there. But I don't know what it is. So I'm doing an unboxing today to find out what one of my birthday presents is. I'm opening it early. But anyway, so I am getting ready to open it. Here it goes. Let's see what's inside. Packing slip. And it looks like purses. Which, I like purses. Looks like more than one of something. Oh, it's some of the Joy stuff. I don't know if you see them, like the Joy, I never can pronounce her name, Milano or something like that. I really seen the movie. I really like her, but I can't pronounce her name for enough. But yeah, it's one of those crossbody bags. Give me one of those. And what else is in here? There is a other kind of bag, I guess. And then there is a larger bag. And just got some compartments inside. But yeah, that's what he got me, I guess, for one of my birthday presents. But I love the blush color. I do a lot of blush and rose gold and stuff. He knows I like those. But that's all I have for this video, and I thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and put a like in the comments, or a like, put a comment in, or a like. And if you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And I thank you so much for watching my channel. Have a good day.